Dear students, in my previous class, I taught you about simple present tense and present continuous tense. Today, I am going to tell you about present perfect tense. So, what is present perfect tense? What are its uses? Okay, so present perfect tense is used. So, it is the third kinds of present tense. Okay, so the first kind of present tense is simple present tense or present indefinite tense. The number two is present continuous tense, and number three, okay, third is present perfect tense, and then number fourth is present perfect continuous tense. So as I taught you earlier, so there are three kinds of tenses. So present tense, past tense, and future tense. So what is today? So it is one present tense. What I am doing, I am speaking. So this is present continuous tense. And so yesterday I did something. This is past tense, and tomorrow I will do something. This is present, but this is what future tense. So this is present, past, and future. The three board category, the three uh, main category, and after that three main category we get the sub kinds. So in present tense there are four sub kinds. I repeat it time and again because students initially they get confused. So that number one is simple present tense or present indefinite tense, number two is present continuous tense, and number three is present perfect tense, and number four is present perfect continuous tense. Let us see the structure of present perfect tense. Okay, in the board. Subject have oblique has plus verb past participle plus object. So in the board, what you see, subject have oblique has, this is auxiliary verb, helping verb, verb past participle, this is third form. Okay, third form of the verb, third form, and object. Okay, so let us see one example. I have written a poem. I have written a poem. So in the sentence, what we find? So I is the subject, have is the auxiliary verb, written is the third form of the verb, and a poem is the object. Okay. So with I, we use have. With you means singular. Again you for plural we use have. Then with any person's name, Ram, Sita, Jodu, Madhu, he, she, with these pronouns we use has. Okay, third person singular number. When you get the subject third person singular number, then we have to use has. Then for plural number, when we find they or students, teachers, when we get plural, okay, plural word, then we have to use have. Okay, he has, she has, name work, name work. With he, she, we have to use has. Okay, and done the third form of the verb, then a work is object. I have completed my task. So here with I we use have. I have completed my task. Okay. When something happened in the past but the consequence of the action is still in our mind, still fresh in our mind, then also we use this present perfect tense. When we have completed certain things a while ago, then also we use this tense, as it is I have completed my task. I have completed my task just now. Okay, this is what? This is present perfect tense. Then I have seen the Taj Mahal. Okay, I have seen the Taj Mahal 6 months ago or 1 year ago, but the memory is still fresh in my mind. So we can use this tense, present perfect tense. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Okay, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and like it. Okay, thank you.